Hey guys, welcome back to the Top Percentile channel. My name is Vidhan. I had scored 99.99 percentile in CET 2020. The MBA CET 2025 scores are out. And for that, I understand that you would have a lot of confusion as to this is my percentile, which college will I get? Will I be very close to the percentile of the last year cutoff? For example, for JBIMS, under OBC category, will I get Sydenham College? Under ST category, will I get Wellinger College? I understand you have all these questions, which is why I have a very special and important thing for you, something known as AI Mentor. This is a mentor that we have integrated in our website, which would help you all during these tough times, especially when it comes to cutoffs. I would give you a quick tour for the AI mentor. And trust me, guys, you would really like it. I understand that right now you would have to text a lot of mentors to understand in which position are you for this particular cutoff. Will you get that college, that college? I understand that mentors would be busy too, and they would not be able to reply to you really fast. They would take a lot of time to reply to you, which is why we have the AI mentor, which doesn't make you wait and give you instant answers. So let me quickly take you through that. So guys, all you have to do is go to the top percentile website. Once you go to the top percentile website, you would find very clearly an AI mentor right over here, AI tutor, which we call it. To access that AI mentor, you would have to add your phone number and your name because I've already done that, which is why they're not asking me again for. But when that pop-up comes up, just put your name and just put your phone number, and you would be able to access the AI mentor. On the left, you have some facts, as in how to use the AI mentor. Is it free to use? Yes, it is free to use. And there are some links to the blogs, as in how to achieve 99 percentile in CAT, cracking CAT exam, MBA CET 2025, which we had put for all the aspirants who were preparing back then, and how to conquer JBIMS. Apart from these four blogs, there are many other blogs for which you can go to our website and have a look. All right, now coming back to the AI mentor. Now, if I would have been an aspirant, if I would have been a student who had given CET 2025, and I want to know that for this percentile, will I get JBMS or no? So let me use this. For example, I put, hey, I got 99.84 percentile in CET 2025. Will I get JBIMS? Question mark. We just wait for the answer and see what the AI mentor says. Guys, we have trained this mentor so that it can cater to your needs, and it is very accurate when it comes to the percentiles, the cutoffs that were there last time. So please go ahead and make use of it. All right, so have a look at this. The cutoff at general cutoff was 99. While your percentile is slightly below this cutoff, admissions can vary. I recommend applying and closely monitoring the admission rounds. And moreover, the top percentile can help you enhance your preparation. So it has given you the percentile which was there last time, and it has told you that it would be tough, but you can always try. All right, now let's do one more thing. I would say that I have scored 99.80 percentile in CET 2025, and I belong to OBC category. Will I get JBIMS? Guys, you all can put categories also. It's not just for open ones that this helps. So have a look at it. Have a look at the response. It would give you a very apt response and a very um, uh, up-to-date response. All right, based on last year's cap, the OBC cutoff was 99.81. With a 99.80, you are close to the cutoff, which indicates a strong chance, and cutoffs can vary, fluctuate slightly each year. Again, it has given you a very apt answer, so please make use of it. If you want any other information, for example, like what was the cutoff for Wellinger College last year in CET. It would give you the cutoffs as well. And it's you don't have to chase any professor, any mentor. Please go ahead and make use of this. All right. So it has given you that general open category cutoff was 99.957. 99.57, and these vary according to every year, according to the exam. But that has given you for open category. Please give me the same for OBC category as well. And it would give you the cutoff for OBC category to get into Vanikar College. All right, so it was 99.189. It's all really accurate, guys. We've made this specially for you all so that all the aspirants, all the students can make use of it. And we've kept it free. So, guys, please go ahead and make use of this. Apart from this, now that the CET results are out, we've also started with a new batch for CAT and CET. You can go ahead and have a look at our website for more information. You can also call us on the number or text us on the number which is there in the description. And also you can ping us on Instagram and we definitely get back to you. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video.